The golden eagle, with its majestic presence and formidable prowess, stands as a symbol of the untamed wilderness, captivating the imagination of humans for centuries. Revered across cultures and continents, this magnificent bird of prey embodies strength, resilience, and the enduring beauty of the natural world. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the multifaceted world of the golden eagle, covering its biology, behavior, cultural significance, conservation status, and the ongoing efforts to protect this iconic species. Biology and ecology. The golden eagle is one of the largest and most powerful raptors in the world, boasting a wingspan that can exceed 7 feet and a weight of up to 15 pounds. Its striking appearance characterized by dark brown feathers accented with golden hues, gives the bird its distinctive name. Golden eagles are found across the northern hemisphere, inhabiting a variety of habitats ranging from open plains and steppes to mountainous regions and forests. These birds are renowned for their exceptional eyesight, which allows them to spot prey from great distances, and their remarkable aerial agility, which enables them to execute precise and high-speed dives to capture prey. Golden eagles are opportunistic hunters, feeding primarily on small to medium-sized mammals such as rabbits, hares, ground squirrels, and even young deer. They are also known to prey on birds, reptiles, and carrion when available. Golden eagles form monogamous pairs that mate for life, engaging in elaborate courtship displays during the breeding season. They build large nests on cliffsides or in tall trees, where the female lays 1 to 3 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the hatchlings, which fledge after several months but may remain dependent on their parents for an extended period. Cultural significance. Throughout history, golden eagles have held a special place in the folklore, mythology, and spiritual beliefs of numerous cultures around the world. Revered as symbols of power, freedom, and divine connection, these magnificent birds have been depicted in art, literature, and rituals for millennia. In Native American cultures, the golden eagle is revered as a sacred messenger and spiritual guide. It is often associated with qualities such as courage, wisdom, and vision questing. Tribes such as the Navajo, Hopi, and Plains Indians have incorporated the eagle into their ceremonial practices, using its feathers in rituals and regalia. Similarly, in European folklore and heraldry, the golden eagle symbolizes nobility, strength, and sovereignty. It has been depicted on coats of arms, banners, and national emblems, representing the power and prestige of kings and rulers. Conservation status and threats. Despite their revered status and widespread distribution, golden eagles face numerous threats to their survival in the modern world. Habitat loss and fragmentation, caused by human development, agriculture, and urbanization, pose significant challenges to these birds, particularly in densely populated areas. Collision with man-made structures, such as power lines, wind turbines, and communication towers, is another major threat to golden eagles. These collisions can result in injury or death for the birds and have a significant impact on local populations, particularly in areas where such structures are prevalent. Illegal hunting and persecution also pose threats to golden eagles, as they are sometimes targeted by poachers or landowners who view them as threats to livestock or game species. Poisoning, trapping, and shooting are among the methods used to kill or capture these birds, despite legal protections in many countries. Conservation efforts. In response to these threats, conservationists and wildlife organizations have implemented various strategies to protect golden eagle populations and their habitats. These efforts include habitat restoration and preservation, captive breeding and reintroduction programs, research and monitoring initiatives, and public education and outreach campaigns. One notable example of successful conservation is the establishment of protected areas and wildlife reserves specifically designed to safeguard golden eagle habitats and promote their long-term viability. These protected areas provide crucial breeding and nesting sites for the birds, as well as safe foraging grounds and migration routes. Additionally, collaboration between governments, conservation groups, and local communities is essential for effective conservation action. By working together to address the underlying causes of habitat loss, reduce human-wildlife conflicts, and raise awareness about the importance of golden eagles, we can ensure a future where these iconic birds continue to thrive in the wild. Conclusion. In conclusion, the golden eagle stands as a symbol of the wild places and untamed beauty that still exist in our world. From its majestic flight to its role in cultures and ecosystems around the globe, this iconic bird embodies the essence of wilderness and inspires awe and admiration in all who encounter it. By understanding the biology, behavior, and cultural significance of the golden eagle, and by taking action to protect its habitats and ensure its survival, we can preserve this magnificent species for generations to come. As stewards of the earth, it is our responsibility to cherish and protect these noble creatures, ensuring that they continue to soar across the skies for centuries to come.